wee, I got a goodie for this Honda. Ooh, what could that be? We are going to be installing some goodies I got off of Amazon. I don't plan on buying nothing expensive for this car, but it's still gonna run good and be fast. We talking Amazon and eBay for the most part. So what do I have in this box? This big ass box right here. What do I have in it? Shouldn't be too hard to figure it out. I have in this box a cold air intake. So we're gonna be putting it on here. I paid probably $40 for it off Amazon. Can't wait to open this box and see if it's gonna be about anything. Let's dive right in it. Okay, let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got here. This is a big ass box. I hope it fit. Oh, man, they put this in a big ass box. You seen one, you seen them all, but I ain't seen none. Ooh, look at the piping. Oh, yup, that's a cold air intake. This really shouldn't take that long to put on either. It shouldn't take that long to put on. Got the braces. I don't know what this for. We'll figure it out though. And let's see. Usually these filters be cheap as hell. And this one, okay, it's decent. It's decent. It's a decent little old filter. Okay. And this is obviously going to change the sound of the car too. We fix to put this bad boy on. I really don't even know how this is supposed to go. I assume like this. Or is it like this? Which way is it? Do I need to look at the picture? I don't know if that filter gonna fit. We may have a problem, Houston. We may have a problem. But we are going to try it out. So I looked on the picture and this goes like this. Goes like that. Let's put this bullshit on here. Like that. And we know that that's bullshit and we're okay with the bullshit. We on the bullshit. This gonna go in here. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to take the Dremel and cut this because this is not gonna fit on here, in here. I can see that already. So we're gonna have to do some cutting. Damn. I need to buy a cutting wheel. About 15 Dremel pads or whatever thing later, think I got it done. I had to cut it, but it fits. Got it all cleaned up before I put it on. You want no debris going up in the engine. Boom, this is what that bad boy looks like. I think it came out pretty well. I had to cut that much off. So I cut that much off to get it to fit. It fits good. I think it's all sealed up for the most part. I think it's all sealed up for the most part. Now my only concern is vibration. I hope it don't vibrate, but if it does, seems like there's nothing really to vibrate on. So let's start this bad boy up and see what it sounds like. Okay folks, so we got that done. Another project in the bag. I'm gonna need y'all to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's blow this channel up, man. I'm trying to build this little car and have fun. Let me know what else y'all, okay, like I said before, I don't know too much about Hondas. I know a lot about Mustang Fox Body 302s, I know a lot about LS3s, Honda engines, Honda cars. I don't know nothing about them. So leave me some comments. Let me know what I should do. The first thing, the mistakes and stuff that most people make. I need to know. Let your boy know. Put them in the comments. Peace.